True soon, they make a bike hoist. You have the hooks that simply go on, and you release off of the mechanism and open up to bring down and wrap around the bike up to 85 pounds, different types of bikes and more. You put it on any bikes imaginable. It takes a matter of under a minute to set up and single-handedly lift. We're going to show you how to install and what this bike hoist is about. Bicycles, mopeds, e-bikes, hang them with a hoist. We have here is a kit that gives you all the hardware, the anchors, hooks, screws, and Allen key. For D-hoops, straps, in this package we have a angle bracket that goes onto a wall. We have the eye hook and pulley system. All the cord necessary to lift the bike, and the mechanism, the bracket to raise on top and hook up, along with the additional pulley and bracket pulley. We have an instruction guide to go over about how to install. Everything I've shown is on the list and the instructions of install. With the bike set up, the first bracket secured down. Called plate A, plate B, start to hang down the second bracket. Unwrap the rope, string through, and string through the next pulley and tie down. With the clamp clasp, slide in. The two D-rings place on and set up. With the opposite end through the pulley system, the second pulley, and through the top and through the hole. For tall sailings and adjustments, we have enough twine to place anywhere. With the remaining clamp, place on, and the remaining two D-rings lock on. On the wall, in a medium to low height, and secure down with enough rope. As we have the locking mechanism to lock the clamp, we have the cable that goes around the bike. One for the back and one for the front. Release one D-hook, wrap around, and when pulling, the locking tab locks into place, and lifting. The bike lifts up to the height you desire and locks into place and securing. When releasing the bike, we unwrap and we release. And releasing each of the clamps. From TrueSoon, the bike hoist system for your needs. I hope you enjoy the bike hoist, placed in a garage, an attic, underneath a overhang, and more. Easy to lift, easy to take down. It is a bike hoist that is out of the way by simply bringing up the cables to the maximum height and securing down on the wall in different lengths. And you have your TrueSoon bike hoist system for your biking needs. I hope you enjoy your bike hoist if this is right for you.